Imagine this, you're hungry, ready to grab your favorite dish, but the queue snakes around the corner. The store owner is juggling cash, orders, and angry customers all at once, and some orders get messed up anyway. Sounds familiar. This isn't just frustrating for customers, it's stressful for hawkers too. And worse, long queues and slow service can cost business. What if there was a way to fix this completely? I'm Francis, a Singaporean who loves to eat and drink, and like many of you, I've been saddened by the number of amazing F&B spots closing down. These owners work tirelessly, yet managing orders, payments, and customer expectations can be extremely overwhelming. I want to help them succeed, not just survive, but thrive, by making their daily operations smoother and smarter. Here's the solution that I'm talking about. A fully automated ordering assistant. Here's how it works. The customer scans a QR code and places his order through a chatbot. He selects the dish, the size, any add-ons, and whether it's takeaway. The bot instantly calculates the total price and tells the customer they receive an SMS to pay via PayNow with a unique reference number. Once the customer pays, the business owner gets an email notification confirming the payment. The order details can then be sent straight to the owner via WhatsApp. After preparing the dish, the owner updates the order status in a Google Sheet by marking it as done. This triggers an automatic SMS to the customer to collect their order. This system means hawkers no longer need to stress about remembering orders, managing cash on the spot. Customers get faster service, reducing long queues and increasing sales. Everyone wins. So if you're an F&B owner and you want to take your business to the next level, click the link in the description to book a discovery call. Let's start automating your workflows and give you more time to focus on what matters most: serving great food and delighting your customers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow F&B owners who could use a little help in the kitchen. Together, we can make running a business easier and more enjoyable for both owners and customers alike.